Okay.
All right. Here. Get some soap.
I thought you were gonna hose her off now.
We're gonna rub her down a little bit. Okay, rub, rub, rub. Okay. We're getting real good. Rub her legs. Okay, now we're gonna hose her down. You ready? Get her. Like that. Not your hands, Lucy. There we go. Use the other hand. Get that hand and rub. Rub Lucy. See?
You're being such a good girl, Moose. Yeah, good Moose.
Hold on, no. Leave it alone. Maddie, come help. We gotta rub Moochie. Rub, rub, rub. Get her chest. Rub her chest. Give her kiss too, because like that. She's all clean. I'm sorry if you don't like this, but we got soap in your face. There we go. Good girl, Moose. Okay.
Is that water for Moose? Oh, it's water for cleaning the thing, huh?
All done.